Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So before I get into the video, I haven't really been uploading because of monsoon season. So it's been a lot of flooding and a lot of dust storms where I wasn't able to go out and ride. But what I have for you guys, I'm just going to explain to you guys how I started riding. I still got a lot of videos to come showing you my bike gear and what I ride with. But other than this guys, peace out. Okay, so the first motorcycle I ever had, this was when I was a sophomore, I think I want to say a junior in high school. Our neighbor, he had a whole bunch of dirt bikes. He would like buy old dirt bikes and fix them up and sell them. And he had two dirt bikes. And one of the dirt bikes he had was like, he built it for street only. And another bike he had, he built it strictly a dirt bike. And so my dad ended up buying one of them because my brother and I wanted to ride. We had a go-kart. It's called a go-kart, but it's really a dune buggy. That's what we had. So, and plus my dad rides. He's been riding all his life, so he taught us how to ride. It was a 125cc dirt bike. I don't know what brand it was. It didn't have, I don't think it had a brand name. The guy, it didn't come with a title or anything, so it was just a regular dirt bike. So we got that, and so we got that dirt bike, and then we rode the heck out of that thing. My brother and I would ride that thing for like years. We rode it for about maybe 2 to 3 years, and then we ended up selling it. Actually, we kept it, but it wasn't working anymore. Like, for some reason, we didn't know what was wrong with it. So it just been sitting, and then we finally sold it. And then I didn't get this bike until maybe, maybe 10 years later. So I haven't really been riding for like 10 years. But the best part about it is I feel like, you know, it's just like driving a car. Like, you're always going to remember how to drive. So even though it's been 10 years, I was able to get on this bike and still shift and everything. Now, of course, a lot of people do say it is a bigger step because instead of a dirt bike, you're on a sport bike. Like when I was in a training course, they said you have to turn different. You have to do certain things differently that you can't do on a dirt bike, which is totally understandable. Which I feel like maybe that's why a lot of people get supermotos, because it's practically a street legal dirt bike. But that's how I started riding, and that's how I got this bike. You guys all know the story how I got this bike. So I just hope, maybe I've been riding for maybe about 4 to 5 months now on this bike. I put about 3,000 miles on it, and I think maybe about I don't know, maybe 5 to 6 months from now, maybe until next year, I'm probably planning on getting the Ninja 636. This is my dream bike, and I'm probably gonna get that. I'm probably gonna sell this bike though, or trade it in. I'm probably gonna sell it, this bike, to get the 600, because I don't know if there'll be a point of me having two bikes, because I'm probably never ever gonna use the 300 if I have the 600. So I'm probably never going to do that. So I'm probably going to sell my 300 to get the 600. Well, other than that, guys, that's it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. It's just a little quick one. Just wanted to let you guys know what was up and why I haven't been uploading. Well, other than this, guys, peace out and bye.